So much I'm afraid I take over.
No, I'm pull it back. You're just so extra. Got this one here. She's saying she wanna switch to the next side. A joke. I know that title might have gotten some of you guys, but really the fact she just tired of this look for right now. She want to take a break from the natural hair. She want to look all bomb going back to school on Monday, even though she started from last Monday. But you know,
nobody is really at school. Everybody don't come back yet, so next week is the real.
Yeah, so she want to look like a baddie or whatever, not necessarily for school, but as I said, just take a break. And she's going out later,
Going out tonight.
so I'm gonna, you know, give her a little makeover, a little glam. Not her first time putting on a wig, but you know, switch up a little bit. So I'm just gonna proceed to applying a wig. So I'm just, you know, prepping her hair, brushing back the edges just to keep everything in place, nice and laid. I'm not doing the ball cap method or anything. I just, you know, no.
Not so much I'm afraid I take over.
No, I'm gonna pull it back. You're just so extra.
Story time, guys. The first time Swan tried the ball cap method on me, she bring the wig right here, so. And if me never say no, Swan, this now look good, Swan, like I'm not gonna turn around.
No, I would not.
I say, oh, the wig so close to my eyebrow. It look weird. I had to take that off.
In life, you have to practice, and that was just a practice session. All right, so let's move on to the wig.
Petite-SUE.
Okay, so it's a side part. This wig is from RPG Hair, of course. I already went ahead and wanded it. I'm going to give it a little comb through at the end, but not yet. Kind of like a borderline crimp looking type of vibe. So today I'm gonna be using glue. I'm using the Trina the Dreamweaver Super Bond glue once more. I currently have it on the wig that I'm wearing still. So yeah. Done with the finessing for now of the edges, so I'm going to tie this ribbon around the edges. Be real simple with the glam. It's really the hair that I wanted, well, that she wanted to switch up, and we're just doing a very light glam. Yeah. Don't touch anything, please, and thank you. Okay.
Juke out me eye. For ear.
No one is going to juke out your eye. You're so dramatic. When you say you're dramatic, people,
Watch it.
you acting all extra just because you look like somebody else. Don't pat it down.
I'm not passing it. The breeze are.
Turn slightly to this side.
Blue, see you shine. You're as blue as the open sky. All these blues I can know.